Hi, Sam. I just wanted to go over real quick with you a little bit about the graphing and the shading. Hopefully you can see this screen. A couple of things first. If you have less than or greater than, it'll be dotted. If you have less than or equal or greater than or equal, your graph line will be solid. So those are the only two things you need to look at in a problem. Now, as far as graphing the line goes, that's the same as it ever was. So if I have y is less than 2x minus 3, I know that this is in the form y equal mx plus b. I know that m is 2 and b is negative 3. So I'm going to go to b is negative and plot that on my y-axis. My slope is 2 over 1. That says to go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. I could keep doing that. And then is this line going to be dotted or solid? Because it is less than, it will be a broken dotted line. Now I've got to figure out where to shade. You can do this a couple of different ways. If this is in the form y compared to mx plus b, this is less than, that means it's going to be below the line. If it's greater than, it's going to be above the line. But if you don't feel comfortable with that, you always do a little test point. Find a point not on the line. And if ever you can use this 0, 0, I would do that. And we're going to plug it in. We're going to test 0, 0. 0 is x, y is x. I'm sorry, y is 0, x is 0. So I'm going to say 0 is less than 2 times 0 minus 3. 0 is less than negative 3. Sorry, is that true or false? 0 is not less than negative 3. That's false. So this side is false. If this side is false, well, then this side is where you're going to shade. That must be true. Okay. One more example real quick. If you have a horizontal or vertical line, those are great. So let's say I had y is greater than or equal to negative 1. I know that that is a solid line because it's greater than or equal. It's a horizontal line because it's y. And greater than, above or below. I don't need to do any math here. I know that if it's greater than negative 1, well, that's above. And that is where you will shade. Hope this helps a little bit.